This is wild. If you took all the DNA molecules in your body and you like put them end to end, it would go to the sun and back or something. It's just
what?
Yeah, it is mind blowing. My mission is helping families overcome this weird time and then helping the kids really instill that confidence in science and also bringing together community.
This is how I'm doing science this year. I've just committed to doing it with Karen, and I feel really good about it.
You are holding DNA right now.
There's a big island of it in the middle of my glass. Me too.
Yeah, an island of it. That's a good description.
And that is our best Zoom experience we have had since March.
Now Piers, he was going to be a zoologist. Now he's going to be a zoologist and a chemist.
I just want kids to get excited about it and to know that they can do it, get in questioning and hands-on. So, and if you want, you can take it out and put it on a plate or put it on a tray.
What? We gonna take the DNA and observe it? I'm touching DNA. It's gross, but it's amazing.
That spark that you have is definitely something that kids can notice and parents notice as well. And so that's just fantastic. We're very lucky we found you.